Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Singh and my branch is Information Science and Engineering. Today we will be going to solve 3 questions based on creating your own exception, subclasses and chained exception in Java. So our first question is creating your own exception. Define a custom exception named invalid email format exception in Java. Create a program that validates an email address entered by the user. If the email format is invalid, doesn't contain @ throw an invalid email format exception with an appropriate error message. Explanation. Custom exception can be created by extending the exception class. In this case, invalid email format exception is custom explanation that will be thrown when the entered email format is invalid. So here is the syntax. Custom exception.java, public class custom exception extend exception, constructor for the custom exception, public class exception, super is the function over here, and public exception class string message. Super message call the constructor of the super class exception with a custom message. Additional method or custom behavior can be added here. So here is the program related to our question. Class invalid email exception format exception extend exceptions. Public invalid email format exception string message. Super message is our function. So here is our main function, public class email validation example. Public static void mail validate email string emails throws email invalid email format exception. So it doesn't email dot contains @ throw new email invalid format exception. Invalid email format must be contained @ else system will print valid email entered. So our main function is over here, try block, validate email user @example.com, validate email invalid email, and catch block is invalid email format exception system.out.print exception plus e.get message function. So our next question will be subclasses. Define a base class animal with a method make sound. Create 2 subclasses dog and cat that extend the animal class. Override to make sound function method to each subclass to provide the specific sound for a dog and a cat. Write a program that demonstrates the use of these classes. Explanation. Subclasses in Java allow for code reuse and the creation of class hierarchically. The base class animal is extended by dog and cat, each providing a unique implementation of the make sound function method. So here is our syntax. Base class.java definition of the base class. Public class base class. Fields attribute of the base class. Private int field 1, private string field 2. Constructor of the base class is public base class int field 1 string field 2. This dot field 1 indicates field 1. This dot field 2 indicates field 2. Method of the base class public void method function system.out.println method 1 base class. Public void method 2 system.out.println public 2 base class super class. So here is the program related to that. Class we will create animal, void it will make sound system.out.println generic animal sound. Class dog extends animals, it will override make sound function we will use and it will print dog barks. Class cat extend we will use and we will override and we will also use the void make sound function system.out.println that will do cat meows. And our main function will be over here, class public class animal demo, public static void main we will print animal dog equal to new dog, animal cat equal to new cat. Cat dog make sounds, cat dot make sounds. This will be our function we will use in. Here is our third question, which is based on chained exception. Create a program that demonstrates change exception in Java. Define a method divide number int a int b that takes 2 integers and perform division. If division by 0 occurs, throw an arithmetic error exception. In your main program, catch this exception and throw a new custom exception. Division error exception with a new message indicates the division error. So explanation is here. Chained exception in Java allow one exception to be linked to another, forming a chain of exception. This example demonstrates how to catch an arithmetic exception and throw a custom exception with a message indicates the specific error. Our syntax is over here. Custom change exception dot java, public class custom change exception, extend exception, constructor with a custom error message and cause change exception, public custom change exception, string message, throwable cause, and your super function is message and cause. Additional method or custom behavior can be added here. So here is our program related to that. Class invalid email format exception, extend exception, public invalid email format exception, string message, super message will give. And here is the public class email validate validation example. Public static void validate email, string email throws invalid exception, email format exception. If email dot contains @ throw new invalid exception format, invalid email format must contain @. Else system.out.print will print valid email extend plus email. Here is our main function, that is try and catch block. Validate email user @example.com, validate email invalid email, and in catch block invalid email format exception, and it will print exception plus the e.get message function. These question and programs provide a practical understanding of creating custom exception using subclasses and detail with change exception in Java. Thank you everyone, hope you like this video.